cracking furnace is a key piece of equipment in ethylene production, operating at temperatures as high as 1,260 degrees Celsius. It must withstand frequent startups and shutdowns, exposure to acidic gases, and mechanical vibrations. To reduce energy consumption and extend equipment lifespan, the furnace lining material must possess excellent high-temperature resistance, thermal shock resistance, and low thermal conductivity. CCEWOOL Ceramic Fiber Blocks, featuring high-temperature stability, low thermal conductivity, and strong thermal shock resistance, are the ideal lining material for the walls and roof of cracking furnaces.
Furnace wall structure design. The walls of cracking furnaces typically use a composite structure, including bottom section 04M 330 mm lightweight brick lining to enhance impact resistance. Upper section above 4 meters 305 mm CCEWOOL ceramic fiber block lining consisting of working face layer zirconia containing ceramic fiber blocks to enhance resistance to thermal corrosion. Backing layer high alumina or high purity ceramic fiber blankets to further reduce thermal conductivity and improve insulation efficiency. Furnace roof structure design. 2 layers of 30 mm high alumina ceramic fiber blankets. 255 mm central hole hanging ceramic insulation blocks, minimizing heat loss and enhancing thermal expansion resistance. The installation method of CCEWOOL ceramic fiber blocks directly affects the thermal insulation performance and service life of the furnace lining. In cracking furnace walls and roofs, the following methods are commonly used. Furnace wall installation methods. The furnace walls adopt either angle iron or insert type fiber modules with the following features. Angle iron fixation. Ceramic fiber blocks are anchored to the furnace shell with angle steel, enhancing stability and preventing loosening. Insert type fixation. Fiber blocks are inserted into pre-designed slots for self-locking fixation, ensuring a tight fit. Installation sequence. Blocks are arranged sequentially along the folding direction to compensate for thermal shrinkage and prevent gaps from enlarging. Furnace roof installation methods. The furnace roof adopts a central hole hanging fiber module installation method. Stainless steel hanging fixtures are welded to the furnace roof structure to support the fiber modules. A tiled arrangement is used to reduce thermal bridging, enhance furnace lining sealing, and improve overall stability. Reduced energy consumption lowers furnace wall temperature by 150 to 200 degrees Celsius, cutting fuel consumption by 18 to 25% and significantly reducing operational costs. Extended equipment lifespan, 2 to 3 times longer service life compared to refractory bricks, withstanding dozens of rapid cooling and heating cycles while minimizing thermal shock damage. Lower maintenance costs, highly resistant to spalling, ensuring superior structural integrity and simplifying maintenance and replacement. Lightweight design, with a density of 128 to 320 kilograms per cubic meter, CCEWOOL ceramic fiber blocks reduce steel structure loads by 70% compared to traditional refractory materials, enhancing structural safety. With high temperature resistance, low thermal conductivity, and excellent thermal shock resistance, CCEWOOL ceramic fiber blocks have become the preferred lining material for cracking furnaces. Their secure installation methods, angle iron fixation, insert type fixation, and central hole hanging system ensure long-term stable furnace operation.
As a company established in 1997, we have deeply experienced CCEWOOL's professional expertise as a globally leading brand over the past 7 years of cooperation. With over 20 years of international market experience, CCEWOOL consistently delivers stable product quality and precisely meets the insulation needs of various industries. CCEWOOL's one-stop service, covering everything from product recommendations and order management to logistics coordination, ensures a smooth and efficient process, guaranteeing on-time order delivery. Recently, our order of CCEWOOL HP ceramic fiber blankets arrived on schedule, maintaining consistent high quality and fully meeting our application requirements. With strong global brand recognition, a reliable supply chain, and highly efficient service, CCEWOOL has become our long-term trusted partner.
Stock available at Charlotte, USA warehouse. CC Fire Insulating Fire Bricks, 2300, 2600, 2800, 3000. CCEWOOL High Temperature Insulation Wool, RCF LBP PCW, including blankets, boards, case boards, papers, modules, bulks, ropes, etc. Nationwide distribution covering Canada, Mexico, and surrounding countries. Contact us now for fast delivery. The most reputable brand in the high temperature insulation fiber field for over 20 years.